Hello kids, today we will learn sound of vowel A. I will teach you 3 and 4 letters word along with CVC pattern. H, A, N, hen. P, A, N, pen. D, A, N, den. T, A, N, ten. N, A, T, net. J, A, T, jet. A, G, egg. L, A, G, leg. B, A, L, bell. V, A, L, well. B, A, B. K, A, Y, key. M, A, N, man. B, A, G, bag. P, A, G, peg. P, A, T, pet. N, A, T, net. G, A, T, gate. F, A, L, fell. S, A, L, cell. T, A, L, tell. T, A, T. S, A, C. S, T, R, A, T, street. T, M, team. S, L, A, P, sleep. S, H, A, P, sheep. K, A, P, keep. D, A, P, deep. S, A, see. Next, let us read a, n, a, t, a net. A, b, a bee. A, l, d, a lad. A lad run after the bee. Thank you.